Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do this in Photoshop. Alright, first things first, I'm going to create a new file. I'll go with 1920 by 1080. So I can rename this to anything. I can now create. So the first thing, unlock this background layer, and we have to make sure we have our timeline here at the bottom. So you go to Windows panel and click timeline. So the next step is go where your footage is. This is my footage. I can now drag and drop on the timeline. So that is my video. The next thing, I have to make sure this video is out of this group, the video group. So I'll drag it out like so and get rid of this group like so. The next, I can rename this to video, video 1. And the next thing, I'm going to get my type tool and I'm going to type text here. Okay. So I can hold Ctrl+T to activate transformation controls. Be able to adjust this like so. Perfect. So the next step is I'm going to move this video footage up, and I'm going to right click and create a clip mask like so. So let's preview. It's not starting with the footage because our text is 2 frames the video. So let me push it at the start of the video footage and preview, and that is perfect. So the next thing, if it completes the text, now I don't see anything, so I'm going to cut off this. So I'll put my CTI here or playhead and click on the layer of the video layer. So I'll go to these icons, go to move and trim, and then trim at playhead, the end of playhead. So if I try to preview it, and that's perfect. So the next thing, you can still export it when it is transparent. So let me just add a background. I'm going to get my solid color here, and I'm going to make sure it is black, not black. So I'll move this at the bottom and let me name this BG background. So the next step, I'm going to apply some strokes to see this text clearly. So I can come here, right click and go to blend options, and you go to stroke, texture stroke, and now I can choose anything. If it's yellow, it's green, let me go with green. And now here you can adjust the size of the stroke. So I'll go with 2, and even the position outside, inside, or center. So just play until you get anything you want. So I can now click OK. So let me try to play it. I think yeah, the background is here. So let me push it also at the first where video starts, and let's see. So it is now perfect. It is capturing some background here. So I'll move this. Alright, perfect. So if you want to render this video, you go to this icon and render video. So now I can, let me change the name. Let me say video. video 001. Okay, I have to make sure it is high quality and the size is this. So the render format is supposed to be H.264 and the frame rates you can adjust to 25, but I recommend you to leave as is, and the range you make sure to work area so that you don't render those excess things. So now I can now click render, and it depends on your machine, so the rendering can take like 5 seconds, depends on the video. So now I can go to where my video is and I'm going to preview it. It's not the one, I think, sorry, think it, yeah, this is the video. Perfect, it is perfect. And that is it, guys. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a like. You can also comment and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace. I love you all.